So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text all lowercase letters here on Visme. So it's pretty straightforward, but how to do this, you have to first off add some text to your design. So to do this, you go to the top left, press on the T icon or the text icon, and we're going to go ahead and just type in the word lowercase in all capital letters. So that's just a good example right here. If we're all in capital letters right now, or you want to make it all lowercase for whatever reason, it works the exact same way. We're going to go ahead and do that. So in order to do this, you have to go ahead and press on the text you wish to change. Go to the top left and press on edit. Then go to this option right here to where it says more. Get the drop down right here. Now there's spacing, there's fill and border, there's transform, there's special, and there's text direction. What we want to do is actually go to transform right here. As of right now, it's actually on default, but if we were to go ahead and press on lowercase, right there, and I've changed the text to lowercase. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can, I guess, make text all lowercase letters here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.